So it's the big 2026 and somehow this game is still alive and doing well actually. Yeah, this is my voice. I kinda hate it, not gonna lie. But no text this time. So here's the question. Should you play Arknights? Well, the answer is quite simple. You should. If you're new, you're probably asking, is it too late to start? And the answer is no, actually. This is a tower defense game, which means you actually have to think. One wrong move and everything falls apart. Just look at that. You don't have to spend money. These operators will carry you. Unlike Enfield, there's a lot of content in Arknights. Today's a good time to start. Please, I need friends. Okay, let's be honest. It's grindy, hard, and has a gacha. While the early game kinda sucks for the story. So, is it worth playing in 2026? Yes, it is. This is my first time using my voice and I'm kinda embarrassed. But, goodbye. See you later, I guess.